All of the classes that you're registered for can be found in your student account. To access your student account, you will go to our website, digitalworkshopcenter.com. Up in the right-hand corner, you will click My Account, log into your account. Once you're in your student account, you'll be able to view all of your current and upcoming classes that you're registered for. So for this class, I want to click More Info. This is going to show you all of the necessary links and information for your class. So that's going to be the link that will take you to the Google Drive class folder. That's where you'll be able to find all of your class materials as well as turn in class assignments. We also have a link here for student FAQs. Scrolling down here is where you will see the full schedule for that specific class. So this class you can see has 2 sessions and it is held Monday, September 9th, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Time. Session 2 is going to be on Wednesday 11th, 5 to 8 p.m. Mountain Time. Clicking in this blue area here, it's going to open up and show you the specific Zoom URL to be able to join that Zoom meeting.